May I come in? Talking about family and friends. Do you have siblings? My parents live in New York. I have two brothers and one sister. My best friend is very kind. Do you have any pets? I love spending time with my family. My cousin is visiting this weekend. I met my friend yesterday. We went out for dinner. My grandparents are retired. Shopping and dining. Can I see the menu? I'd like a cup of coffee, please. Do you accept credit cards? How much is this shirt? Is there a discount on this item? I'm looking for a pair of shoes. Could I get the bill, please? Do you have this in a smaller size? I'll take this one. Thank you for your service. How do I get to the train station? Is it far from here? I need a taxi, please. Which bus goes to the airport? Can you show me the way? Where is the nearest ATM? How long does it take to get there? I'd like to book a room for 2 nights. What time does the flight leave? This is my first time in this city. I'm very happy today. I'm feeling a little tired. This makes me so excited. I'm worried about the exam. I'm proud of you. I feel sad about the news. I'm so grateful for your support. I'm nervous about the interview. I feel confident about my decision. I'm in love with this place. I have a meeting at 10 a.m. I need to finish my homework. Can you send me the email? I'm working on a new project. What's the deadline for this task? I'm studying for the test. I'll join the online class soon.